Hello guys, so I'm still on with Hooligan, and what I've done is I've ordered aluminium bar off eBay and stuff like that. I've got some more coming. That's a little bit small, is that? As you can see, it's wobbles around a bit, but I did find some bar there, look, which is a bit bigger, but it was just a little bit too big for the holes. So I had to file it down. As you can see, all the filings there, and I've now put that in. So what I can do is I can weld that up, and I've got a proper mounting then to mount that on, which I think once it's welded up it'll be pretty cool, all that. So if I do that all around, so I suppose my next goal then is to have one of these little things, these stud things sticking out from each one of these, and then we can start fabricating whatever. Now I think these are a bit too far gone. They're proper knackered, aren't they? So I've ordered some more square tubing off eBay, and I'll show you what's just come as well. I've been buying a few of these packs where they just sell offcuts and stuff. Obviously I can't use that anywhere on the bike, but do you know what I mean? There's loads of offcuts, but in that pack there are these offcuts, and it just so happens that they fit on there perfect. So I need to get the size of that and see if I can get some square tubing that big, and it's the exact size, I think, of that, isn't it? So do you know what I mean? But like I say, this is gonna, you know, that's gonna go on there, to be honest with you. And then I need to, you know, once these two bottom ones are on and welded on properly and they're solid, then I can start fabricating the top rail. Now obviously I can't use these because that's far too gone, but you see where I'm coming from, don't you? It can, if you look where the sort of thing I'm after, it'll all be properly welded up and stuff. So I bought some more of these packs. Move, Dave. And these have just come today. Now, Dave, move. So there's all sorts in here. There's flat bar, there's plate. In this one there's thicker flat bar, there's round bar, there's square bar, there's fucking hexagon bar. I don't think I'll be able to use that. But you see where I'm coming from. These were about, maybe, I don't know, 20 quid each or something. I've got more than enough aluminium there to, and here, to make another subframe. I have actually got some more of this thick bar coming, so then I can start fabricating stuff there as well. So I am on with it slowly. I'll be honest with you, I didn't do any last week because the weather was absolutely red hot and I just wanted to chill out and soak up the sun while it's here. We will can't even get that off now. No, we will carry on, guys. I think it's going to look all right. You know, obviously it won't be nowhere as near as good as the original, but it's got to be better than them stupid mild steel fucking sleeves that were holding it together. At least this will all be aluminium and wall welded up as one rigid frame. So that's it, guys. I will keep you updated. I'll probably, it's Wednesday today, so I'll probably keep you updated I'll do some more at the weekend, because hopefully that other bar will come, and we can hopefully then by the end of this weekend, let me just pull that off. So by the end of this weekend, we will have these four sticking out of there, ready to be welded up, hopefully.